My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. Today, we are making my Italian version of surf and turf with calamari and hot and sweet pork sausage. So we're going to take some olive oil first, and we're going to take these heirloom tomatoes, and we're going to stew them. Cover it up, and wait. It should take about 15 minutes to stew down. Okay, the tomatoes are looking really good. They're melted down, and now I'm going to take the hot and sweet sausage, and I'm going to throw it in and have the sausage cook in the melted tomatoes for a couple of minutes. And now I'm going to throw in the calamari. I'm going to mix all this up, and what's going to happen is as the calamari is cooking, liquid will be extracted from the calamari and mixed with the sausage and the melted tomato, it makes like a sauce. So now I'm going to cover it up, and we'll see in about 5 minutes. When this dish is done, it could be served over pasta, it could be served over rice. But when I made this, I wanted to be healthy, so I just ate it the way it is. Okay, so now I'm going to put the final touch on it, a little sea salt. Perfect.